This video is sponsored by Spigen. What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Arc Hybrid Mag wireless portable charger. This is a portable power bank by Spigen with MagSafe technology built in, and this is going to give your iPhone 12 or 13 5,000 milliamp hours of extra juice, giving you several days of battery life. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take a look and see what all comes in the box. We have a user manual, and we have a thank you card with support information if you need some support for the product. This also came with a USB-C to USB-C charge cable. And then we have the actual power bank here as well. A little bit of Spigen branding up top. We've got a power button here with some LED indication lights that show us our charge level. Right here we've got a USB-C charge port, and then we have that non-slip coating with the magnetic connection there on the back. So there are a few things that really stand out about this portable charger. First of all, it is magnetic and it does work with MagSafe on the iPhone 12 series and the iPhone 13 series. You're also going to get a very strong magnetic hold here thanks to an anti-slip coating on the power bank, so you don't have to worry about this disconnecting from your phone while it's charging. This is a great option for eliminating all of the wires, and even though it does add a little bit of thickness to the phone with the battery bank is still pocketable. I also love this style of battery bank that just kind of magnetically sticks to the phone, as you're able to easily use the phone one-handed while it is charging. With the extra 5,000 milliamp hours of battery, you're gonna get an additional 80% charge, so you're gonna be able to get more than a full day's use out of your iPhone. This also features pass-through charging, so you can still charge your iPhone while you're charging the battery bank as well, and the power will just pass from the charger to your phone. You don't have to miss out on a charge while you're charging the battery bank. With 7.5 watts of wireless charging, this charges your phone 1.5 times faster than other 5-watt chargers out there on the market. This is also compatible with other phones on the market as long as you use a MagSafe compatible case. There are some of those out there for the Galaxy S22 Ultra as well. Overall, this is a great way to add tons of extra battery life to your phone in a compact and a pocketable way. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.